How to add Kick.com charts to OBS. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Kick.com charts to OBS. To add Kick.com charts to OBS is very simple. Alright, the first thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Kick account. Once you open it, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Select Creator Dashboard. Once you click on Select Creator Dashboard, you'll be brought to your dashboards page. Now on this page, the next thing for you to do is to note your username. All right, just note your username. Once that is done, head over to your OBS. All right, so once you head over to your OBS, click on the plus icon. Yeah, the plus icon under sources. Once you click on it, go ahead and select browser. Okay, once you select browser, just click on type out OBS, and then once you're done, click OK. Currently I have this already in use, that's why it's displaying this, but for you, just follow this procedure. Once that is done, you will see OBS here. Yes, you see OBS. All right, then the next thing for you to do is to click on the plus icon again, and then you select browser. Yes, browser. All right, now in this browser, just go ahead and type out Kick Charts. Once that is done, click OK. Once you click OK, a box will be displayed, and then a URL will be displayed there. All right, in this URL, just in the URLs box, click on it, and then type slash your username. That is your Kick Chart username. Then once you've typed it out this way, click OK. Then automatically your charts will be added to OBS. So this is how you can add Kick.com charts to OBS. Very direct and simple. Thanks for watching.